Okay, for 393, they want us to solve the absolute value equation. So remember, when we have an absolute value equation, we split it into two. So the first one we just rewrite without the absolute value sign, and the second one we rewrite with the right-hand side negative, or opposite of the right-hand side. So for this one, you can write your answer as negative 7 and 7. Or you could write it as x equals plus or minus 7. Either one is fine. Okay, for B, we have 2x, absolute value, equals 32. So again, we split it. 2x equals 32. 2x equals negative 32. And we divide by 2, right? Divide by 2, and we get x equals 16. Divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals negative 16. So x equals plus or minus 16, right? Okay, and there's the A and B. Okay, let's make room for C. For C, we have absolute value of x plus 7 equals 10. So we split it. X plus 7 equals 10. And x plus 7 equals negative 10, right? The opposite of that right side. So we subtract 7 from both sides, and we get x equals 3. Subtract 7 from both sides, we get x equals negative 17. So the solution set is negative 17 and 3 for C. And D, we have the absolute value of x equals 53.1. These you shouldn't even have to do any work for, right? So x equals 53.1, and the other one is x equals negative 53.1. So you would write your answer as x equals plus or minus 53.1. And we're done those.